Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 3rd chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So I am doing optional exercise. I will continue with the 4th sum. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So we'll take the number of students in the class as xy. In that, x will be the number of rows and y will be the number of students in one row. Okay, let x be the number of rows. Let x be the number of rows and y be the number of students in each row. Therefore, total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class will be xy. In the class is xy. Xy is the total number of students in the class. So according to the question, first condition is if 3 students are extra in a row. If 3 students are extra in a row. Student is y. So 3 students are extra in a row. There would be 1 row less. So row is x. So there would be 1 row less. That is x minus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to xy. So for this condition, we will get the total number of students as xy. Okay. So we will simplify this. So xy minus y plus 3x minus 3 is equal to xy. Okay. So xy will get cancelled. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. So this is the simplified form of the first equation. Then second condition given in the question is if 3 students are less in a row. If 3 students are less in a row, that is y minus 3. Students is y. We have taken number of students are in a row. We have taken it as y. So if 3 student is less, so y minus 3, there would be 2 rows more. So there would be 2 rows more. So x plus 2 is equal to xy. So for this condition, we will get the total number of students as xy. So xy, this one we will simplify. xy plus 2y minus 3x minus 6 is equal to xy. So xy will get cancelled. Minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So this one is the second equation. So 3x minus y is equal to 3 and minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So we will simplify this. So first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and second equation is minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here plus 3x minus 3x directly it will get cancelled. So y is equal to here 2 3 plus 6 9. So y is equal to 9. Okay, then first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x minus 9 is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 3 plus 9. So that is 12. So x is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so we are asked to find the number of students in the class. So what we have taken total number of students in the class as xy. Therefore, total number of students in the class is xy, that is equal to 4 into 9, that is equal to 36. So 36 students are there in the class. Okay. Next sum is in a triangle ABC Angle C is 3 times of angle B is equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Find the three angles. We know that angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So in this we are asked to find the value of A, B and C separately. So for that some information is given. So for our convenience, for my convenience I am taking angle A as x degree and angle B as y degree. These two values I am taking. Angle A is x degree and angle B is y degree. X and y we are taking. That is, if you are finding value for A, that is obviously the degree measure only. So x and y we are taking. In the question, angle C is given as 3 times of angle B. Angle C is equal to 3 times of angle B. So, B we have taken it as y. So, angle C will get it as 3 times of y degree. 3y will get. Okay, so angle C is equal to 3y degree. Okay, so now in this we got the value for angle A, B and C in terms of x and y. So that we will substitute it in this first equation. We will take this as first equation. In that first equation we will substitute that. So angle A is equal to x degree, x plus y plus 3y is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 4y is equal to 180 degree. So we got an equation with two variables x and y. Now next one is, we will take another condition, that is angle C is equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. So we have taken angle C as 3y is equal to 2 times of angle A is x and angle B is y. So 2x plus 2y minus 3y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 2y we will get. When we are bringing this 3y to the other side, it will become minus 3y. So 2x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 4y is equal to 180 is one equation. Then 2x minus y is equal to 0. That is another equation. So we use substitution method here. So second condition is, second one, we got it as 2x minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2x. When we are bringing this y to that side, it will be plus y. So y is equal to 2x. So that y is equal to 2x, we will substitute it in the first equation. That is x plus 4y is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 4 into y is 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 4 2s are 8, x we will get is equal to 180 degree. So 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree. So x value is 20 degree. Okay. A is equal to x. So we got angle A as 20 degree. Okay. Then the same way we will find y also. So y is equal to 2x. We got x as 20. So 2 into 20 is 40 degree. So that is y value we got it as 40. So x is 20 degree, y is 40 degree. Okay. Then we have taken angle C as 3y. So angle C is equal to 3y. That is, we got the y value as 40. So 3 into 40 degree is 120 degree. So this is the value of angle C. So now we are asked to find the value of angle A, B and C. Angle A is equal to 20 degree. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. That only we have taken it as y. So angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle C is equal to 120 degree. So we are asked to find the values of A, B and C, that is the three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So we got the value for angle A, B and C. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.